So your JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphone is not charging. It's not showing charging light or red light when connected. You are unplugging and plugging it repeatedly, but it just won't charge. Well, let's see what we can try to fix this problem. Now first, try to use the Type-C charger that came with the device. And also very important, make sure it's connected properly. Still not charging? Now go ahead and check if there is any dirt, debris, or anything that might be in the way of the charging port. Just go ahead and clean it with a soft piece of cloth. Still not charging? You can just use another device to check if your charger is functional or not. Also, don't forget to check the power source. You can use a direct wall socket or wall outlet if you want. If nothing else works, but if you can at least turn on your headphone, what you have to do is just press on this power button until all the lights turns off. And then again, press on the same button for 10 seconds, just turn it on. This will restart, reset, and fix any minor glitches on your headphone. Now, if you're unable to turn on your headphone, maybe the battery is dead for long. So you might need to leave it on charge overnight till it shows the red light. So you've tried everything possible, and your JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth headphone not charging problem should be solved after that. Hopefully this video helped you in that process. Thanks for watching and take care.